Welcome to another video tutorial on how to use Fluvid. In this video, we will explore the drawing tool feature of Fluvid. So to explore this feature, we will start using Fluvid. Now, I'm already logged inside my Fluvid account. So on this side, you can see Fluvid icon. So let's click here. Now you can either use the screen recording mode or you can go for a live streaming. So at this point of time, you will be using a screen recording mode. And the screen only option, you can also record your screen along with your cam. So as of now, we'll only use screen only option. So let's start recording. We have selected the screen and share. So now the recording has started. Now you can see this option, that is the pen. Now this is the drawing option. If you want to highlight something, let's click on this. You can choose the color. So as of now, let's keep it blue, and yes, so you can see we can highlight anything. You can change the thickness. So you might be an instructor, you might be a sales professional. If you want to highlight something, you can do that. You can change the thickness. Now this you can see. So this is how we use the drawing feature tool. And if you want to erase this part, you can see this. Well, we have already discussed that we can erase this part, but apart from this, there is another amazing option, that is clear paint. So if you click on this, you can see everything clear. So we have just used the clear paint option. So rather than erasing each drawing individually, you can clear the full screen. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Fluvid. And if you have any queries, just write to us on hello@fluvid.com. Thank you.